Hey genius, you have a plot of grass in your house garden, say 20 yard. How many cows you can feed annually or rear annually, keeping in mind that a single cow eat average of 50 kg grass on daily basis. One cow, two cow, three cow or four cow. Think about the answer or follow our discussion to find it. Word carrying capacity has multiple uses in the life, like carrying capacity of a truck mean that how much luggage a truck can carry. Similarly, the carrying capacity of an electrical wire mean that how much electric current can be beared by that kind of wire, or the carrying capacity of a bridge mean that how much load that particular bridge can bear or face before breaking. So if we transform these meanings into an ecosystem, then the term ecological carrying capacity is easy to understand. So what is ecological carrying capacity? Let's define it. Maximum population of a particular species that a given habitat can support over a given period without being degraded. Now the word maximum, particular species, given period and habitat are the key terms in the definition, and they need to be focused. So like the population of ambalas or deers living in a particular habitat can increase their number, but their number cannot be increased unlimitedly because the environment has limits in the resources. So resources actually limit the increase in the number of populations, and that maximum number of population which can be reached in a particular environment is termed as the carrying capacity, and the main component which define the carrying capacity is the food or energy. Let's understand with the help of an example. If we have a new grassland and there is no herbivore or kind of species present already, and we introduced a new species there. Like when we introduce a new species, because new species has no competition with other species, because there are nothing already present, and that species will grow exponentially because food is excess, water is excess, there is no predation, etc. No problem at all. Eat, sleep, and they will grow exponentially, but their number can reach a particular limit depending on the resources, and that limit is the K, meaning carrying capacity. Similarly, when the population has reached the carrying capacity, then there is no chance to increase in further, because when a particular time population increases the carrying capacity, then it will automatically become slow and low due to scarcity of the resources or deficiency of the resources, or the competition which is now created among the populations members. So due to those factors, the population will not increase from beyond a particular limit. So that maximum limit which can be reached by a particular population in a particular habitat is termed as the carrying capacity of that habitat or carrying capacity of that ecosystem. So the kind of growth which occur initially is exponential, and the growth type which remain below or up, the carrying capacity is termed as logistic growth. So logistic growth is the basic term which help us to define the carrying capacity of a particular ecosystem or of a particular environment. So that's the carrying capacity of an ecosystem. Similarly, you can take other examples also. For example, if you have aquarium at your house and you put many types of fishes in that, and then due to low oxygen or deficiency of oxygen, some of them will die automatically. So because you have crossed the carrying capacity of the particular habitat, then you have to face those deficiencies or those killings. So carrying capacity is basically the final or maximum limit beyond which the number of individuals will die, and automatically the nature will restore itself or equilibrium will be established. Thanks.